Rare photos. This is how they refill the M&M's dispensers for a particular time interval of usage. Do you believe this optical fiber cable that provides internet for us every day? A movie theater without the seats and screen during the process of refurbishment. This is what a Lego plastic looks like before being cast into Lego pieces. The inside of a traffic controller box looks like an electricals transformer. This is how they unload a coals at power plant from the freight cars. Do you ever wondered just how massive the gasoline containers are? And these are underneath the gas station. This is the inside of a modern dartboard with the sensors on it. This is a cluster bomb, and the blue balls are individual bombs that are released in fight with the help of flight.